Hello nursing students, this is Michelle in the library. I wanted to talk to you about health information online. I'm sorry I won't be able to meet with you guys in person, but luckily everything we were going to do is available online already. So I'm just going to walk you through this health information online module. So the point of this health information online module is to give you some strategies for fact-checking information online, to talk about some advanced Google search strategies, to search in the library databases using OneSearch, and to go over what APA citation style looks like. You're going to go through the modules with your group. Each person will individually submit a quiz, which is really straightforward and you can take it multiple times. And you're going to search online and in the library databases to find 5 trustworthy sources on the health topic that you're researching. So you're all going to search individually, but only one annotated bibliography of 5 sources is needed for each group. So you'll put one together and submit it as a group. And if you run into questions at any time, you can always contact me using the Ask a Librarian form, and I will follow up. So this module is broken up into 3 parts. The first part is strategies for fact-checking health information online, and there's some content and videos in there you're going to review. Then you're going to search for reliable health information online yourself. The second part is searching in the library databases for research on health and nursing questions. And you're going to do some searching yourself to find sources on your topic. And then the third one is citing your sources. So there's some resources here on using the citation tools in the library databases and how to create APA citations for websites. To wrap up, you're going to do the quiz, which, as I said, is very straightforward and you can take multiple times. And then as a group, you guys are going to submit a bibliography of 5 sources. So I recommend, as you're going along doing your research, open up a Google Doc for your group and save all your sources there. You're going to have way more than 5 sources, with everybody in your group finding sources. But what you turn in is just going to be your 5 best sources with APA citations and with annotations, which is just a short description of what this is and why you think it's a good source. Remember, you can contact me at any time using the Ask a Librarian form, and the librarians are still here. We want to support you in your work, so please don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you run into any problems. All right, good luck.